What is going on, everyone? My name is Mike. Want to send all you dads out there a happy Father's Day. All right, so get out there. Hope you guys get to enjoy your week or your weekend or however you guys celebrate it. So maybe throw the football around a little bit, spend some time with the kids or whatever the case may be. Get out there fishing. We just had a great time out there on the water. Went to Silverwood, stocked a bunch of trout out there. I don't know exactly the numbers, but it was a lot of trout. Fish everywhere. I limited out about 2 or 3 times on Thursday. Went back on Friday. We took Joe. He limited it out pretty quickly. I limited it out 2 or 3 times. So again, lots of fish being caught right now. So for you guys that have never been fishing or want to spend some time with your dads, right now is the time at Silverwood. Get out there Saturday and Sunday. I heard there's another stocking that happened earlier this week. So again, still a lot of fish out there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Get out there, go catch some of those football-sized fish. We'll see you out there. GoPro, take video. First fish of the day. All day.
I want to get those clickers.
Oh.
Ain't nothing but against the party.
Getting it now. I'm gonna get bit. Yeah, have that net ready, bro. Yeah, this is gonna be a good one. Yeah, for sure, bro. Worry about that fish and you're good. There we go. Rest easy, baby. Rest easy. I've caught bigger. Oh, it's a good one, dude. Look over like you called. That was a little guy.
Get the fish in.
Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, if you guys like what you saw, click that like button. Comment. I want to hear from you too on how you guys did. I hope this helps somebody out there catch some fish. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. You guys are doing great. See you guys on the water. All right, talk to you later. Is that how you throw it? How do you throw these things? Like this? Just kind of...